everyone, this is Kalpana here. So in this video, we are going to find third moment from binomial distribution. So let's get started. Third moment, mu3 dash equals to expectation of x cube. Okay. Since expectation of x cube equals to summation x cube into p of x for x equals to 0 to n. Okay. So here p of x is a probability mass function. Since probability mass function of binomial distribution is NCX p power x q power n minus x. Okay, so you would write it as summation x equals to 0 to n x cube into, now replace p of x by NCX into p power x into q power n minus x. Okay, so here you are having x cube, right? So we can write x cube as in terms of x into x minus 1, so on. Okay, so let's see how to find x cube in terms of x minus 1, x into x minus 1 and so on. Okay, so we need cube, right? So x into x minus 1, from this you'll get x square, but we need cube. So keeping that in mind, we'll take the first three, that is, if you consider x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into so on into x minus n, you'll take the first three, okay, x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. So this equals to x square minus x into x minus 2 equals to x square into x is x cube, x square into 2 is minus 2x square, minus x into x is minus x square, minus into minus plus 2 into x is 2x. So this equals to x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. Okay, so x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 is equals to x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. Okay, fine. So now change the signs. Okay, now we are going to change the signs so that you can cancel x cube plus x cube and minus x cube. Finally, you get 3x square minus 2x. Again, the first time we are having 3x square, so we need to cancel this. For that, I'll take x into x minus 1. Okay, so this equals to x into x is x square minus x into 1 is x. Alright, but we need 3, right? So we'll take 3x into x minus 1, which is equals to 3x square minus 3x. Okay, so here you're having plus, right? So put plus x into x minus 1 into 3 is 3x square minus 3x. Okay, now change the signs. So here you can cancel plus 3x square minus 3x square, plus 3x minus 2x is x. Okay, so here we use the algorithm quotient into divisor plus remainder is equals to dividend. Okay, if we'll multiply quotient by divisor, and then we'll add the remainder. We have to get the dividend x cube. So let's see. So what is quotient here? X minus 2 plus 3. And your divisor is x into x minus 1 plus remainder is x. Okay. So this equals to x minus 2 into x minus 1 will be x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. Okay. Fine. Plus 3 into x minus 1 is 3x into x minus 1 plus x. Okay. So this equals to, we know that x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 is x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. See, we have written here. X into x minus 1 into x minus 2 is x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. So write x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. Next. Plus 3x into x minus 1 is 3x square minus 3x. 3x square. 3x into x is 3x square minus 3x plus x. Okay. So this is equals to x cube. So now write x square terms. You're having minus 3x square plus 3x square. Next, x terms plus 2x plus x is plus 3x minus 3x. Okay. So now cancel minus 3x plus 3x square minus 3x square. So this is equals to x cube, which is our dividend. Okay. Since dividend equals to quotient into remainder plus, quotient into divisor plus remainder. So we can write x cube as x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 plus 3x into x minus 1 plus x. Okay. Fine. This is an easy technique to find x cube in terms of x into x minus 1 into x minus 2, I can say. Since x cube equals to x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 plus 3x into x minus 1 plus x. So now we can replace x cube by this. Okay. So this equals to summation x equals to 0 to n. Now simply we are replacing x cube by x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 plus 3x into x minus 1 plus x. Okay. X into x minus 1 into x minus 2 plus 3x into x minus 1 plus x into ncx p power x, into q power n minus x. Okay. So this equals to summation x equals to 0 to n. This part into this will be x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into ncx p power x into q power n minus x. Okay. Plus this into this will be summation x equals to 0 to n into 3x into x minus 1 into ncx p power x q power n minus x plus summation x, and this part will be summation x equals to 0 to n into x into ncx p power x into q power n minus x. Okay. So this is equals to, now what we are going to do is we'll just take this constant outside the summation. Okay. Summation x equals to 0 to n x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into ncx into p power x into q power n minus x plus 3 into summation x equals to 0 to n into x minus 1 into ncx into p power x into q power n minus x. I'll write in the next step. Okay. Mu 3 dash equals to summation x equals to 0 to n x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into ncx p power x q power n minus x plus 3 into summation x equals to 0 to n x into x minus 1 into ncx into p power x into q power n minus x plus summation x equals to 0 to n x into ncx into p power x into q power n minus x. So this is equals to summation x equals to 0 to n x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. Here you're having ncx, right? Since ncx equals to n factorial by x factorial into n minus x factorial. Okay, so now we can replace ncx by n factorial by x factorial into n minus x factorial into p power x into q power n minus x. Okay, plus 3 into, see here you are having summation x equals to 0 to n x into x minus 1 into ncx into p power x into q power n minus x. Sorry. Since by mu2 dash you'll have summation x equals to 0 to n into x minus 1 into ncx into p power x into q power n minus x equals to n into n minus 1 into p square. Okay, by mu2 dash. You can see the proof of mu1 dash and mu2 dash, the first two moments of binomial distribution. So I'll drop the link in the description. Okay, fine. And also you have summation x equals to 0 to n x into ncx into p power x into q power n minus x equals to n into p, which is mean. Okay, so this is by mu1 dash. Okay, the first moment. So now you can replace this term by n into n minus 1 into p square. N into n minus 1 into p square. Okay, plus, since we are having summation x equals to 0 to n x into ncx into p power x into q power n minus x is np, which is mean. So right, np. Okay. So this is equals to summation x equals to 0 to n, x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into. So you could write this n prime as, n factorial as n factorial equals to 1 into 2 into 3 into so on into n minus 1 into n, right? Since n factorial equals to 1 into 2 into 3 into so on into n minus 1 into n, then what will be n minus 1 factorial? N minus 1 factorial will be equals to 1 into 2 into 3 into so on n minus 2 into n minus 1. Okay. Likewise, n minus 2 factorial equals to 1 into 2 into 3 into so on into n minus 3 into n minus 2. Okay. N minus 3 into n minus 2. Alright. So you could write this n factorial, which is equals to 1 into 2 into 3 into so on into n minus 3 into n minus 2 into n minus 1 into n. Here you are having n factorial equals to 1 into 2 into 3 into so on into n minus 3 into n minus 2 into n minus 1 into n. So you can consider 1 into 2 into 3 into so on into n minus 3 as n minus 3 factorial. So from 1 to n minus 3 will be your n minus 3 factorial into remaining you're having n minus 2 into n minus 1 into n. So you could write this n factorial as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial. Okay. So you can write n factorial as, since n factorial equals to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial. So now you could replace this n factorial by n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial by, here you're having x factorial, right? Similarly, in the place of n, put x, then you'll have x factorial equals to x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 factorial. Now replace x factorial by x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 factorial into, write n minus x factorial as it is. Okay. Plus 3n into n minus 1 into p square plus np. Okay. Fine. See here, in the first term, you're having n minus 3 factorial in the numerator and x minus 3 factorial in the denominator. So we'll change x from 3 to n. Okay. Since 3 into 3 minus 1 into 3 minus 2 into 3 minus 3 factorial will be 3 into 2 into 1 into 3 minus 3 is 0 factorial. Since 0 factorial equals to 1. Okay. If you take 0 or 1 or 2, you'll get negative terms. Okay. So in order to neglect or in order to reduce the problem or complexity of the problem, we'll choose x equals to 3 to n. Okay. In the denominator, you're having x minus 3 factorial and in the numerator, you're having n minus 3 factorial. So immediately, you'll change the summation from x equals to 3 to n since you have x minus 3 factorial. So this is equals to, now cancel x, x minus 1, x minus 2. Alright. So this is equals to summation x equals to 3 to n, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 by x minus 3 factorial. Here you're having n minus x factorial, right? See, we know that ncx equals to n factorial by x factorial into n minus x factorial. So, in the place of n, you're having n minus 3. In the place of x, x minus 3. So, what could be n minus x factorial? So, let's see. N, that is n minus 3 minus x. In the place of x, you're having x minus 3 factorial is equals to n minus 3 minus x minus into minus plus 3 factorial. So now cancel minus 3 and plus 3. So this is equals to n minus x factorial. So n minus x factorial. You can replace this n minus x factorial by n minus 3 minus x minus 3. Okay. So before going to replace this directly, we'll simply write n minus x, will simply add plus 3 and minus 3 factorial. The next step will change it into n minus 3 minus of x minus 3. Okay, fine. Into here you will be having p power x into q power n minus x, right? P power x into q power n minus x. Alright. So, see here you're having x minus 3 and n minus 3, right? So we'll change x in terms of x minus 3 and n's in terms of n minus 3. So in order to change, we need some p power minus 3 plus 3, right? We'll just add minus 3 plus 3 to the power of p. Similarly, we'll add minus 3 and plus 3 to the power of q. Okay. Plus the next two terms will be as it is. P square plus np. Okay. So this is equals to summation x equals to 3 to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial by x minus 3 factorial into, so you could write it as, see as I told, you have to write n in terms of n minus 3 and x in terms of x minus 3. So you can write n minus 3 minus of, now take minus common from these two terms, you'll get x minus 3. See, minus into minus will be plus 3. Alright. Factorial into p power. Likewise, here also you can write x minus 3 plus 3 into q power n minus 3. Now again take common, minus common from these two terms, minus x and plus 3. If you take minus common from minus x and 3, you'll get minus of x minus 3. Okay, minus into x is minus x, minus into minus plus 3. Alright. Okay, now we are taking minus common from minus x and plus 3, you'll get minus of x minus 3. Fine. Plus 3n into n minus 1 into p square plus np. Okay. Fine. So this is equals to summation x equals to 3 to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3. See, you know that ncx equals to n factorial by x factorial into n minus x factorial. So what could be for n minus 3 c x minus 3 equals to n minus 3 factorial by x minus 3 factorial into n minus 3 minus of x minus 3 factorial. Simply replace x by x minus 3 and n by n minus 3. Okay, we are replacing n by n minus 3 and x by n x minus 3 in this formula. See, here you are having n minus 3 factorial by x minus 3 factorial into n minus 3 minus of x minus 3. So you can replace this by n minus 3 c x minus 3. Good. So here you are having two terms, right? You can write it as p power x minus 3 into p cube into q. You have to write it as it is. Okay, plus 3n into n minus 1 into p square plus np. Okay, now we'll take this and this outside the summation. N into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into p cube. The summation x equals to 3 to n. Write the remaining part. nc3c x minus 3 into p power x minus 3 into q power n minus 3 minus of x minus 3 plus 3n into n minus 1 into p square plus np. We just took the constants outside the summation. Okay. So this is equals to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into p cube. Since we know that by binomial theorem x plus a whole power n equals to summation r equals to 0 to n ncr into x power n minus r into a power. So by binomial theorem we have x power a power n equals to summation r equals to 0 to n into ncr x power n minus r into a power r. So now compare this term with the formula. Okay, in the place of n you are having n minus 3. In the place of n you have n minus 3. In the place of r you have x minus 3, and in the place of x you have, okay, this one, n minus r, right? N minus r. In the place of x you have q, and in the place of a you have p. Okay, see, r equals to x minus 3, right? Fine. So now we could write it in binomial theorem form. So you could write it as x, that is q plus a p power n minus 3 equals to summation n minus 3 c r x minus 3 x, that is q power n minus r into a, that is p power r x minus 3. So you could replace it, this part, by q plus p power n minus 3. Okay. Alright. So here we have summation x equals to 3 to n into n minus 3 c x minus 3 p power x minus 3 into q power n minus 3 minus of x minus 3 equals to q plus p power n minus 3. So we have replaced this term by q plus p power n minus 3. Okay. Plus write the next two terms as it is. Alright. Since we know that sum of probability is equals to 1, that is q plus p or p plus q equals to 1. Since p plus q equals to 1, then q plus p power n minus 3 will be equals to 1 power n minus 3, which is equals to 1. So you could write it as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into p cube. This becomes 1, okay, into 1 plus 3n into n minus 1 into p square plus np. So this is equals to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into p cube plus 3 into n minus 1 into p square plus np. Okay, see, in the first term you are having n into n minus 1 into n minus 2. In the second term you have n into n minus 1, and in third term you have n. Okay, for mu 3 dash you'll have, if you have 3, you'll start with 2, and next step you'll have only the first 2, and in the next step you have only n. Okay, it keeps reducing. Fine. The number of steps will be reduced. Okay, so therefore mu 3 dash equals to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into p cube plus 3 into n minus 1 into p square plus n into p. So this is the third moment. So we have seen third moment of binomial distribution in this video. Hope you will understand. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.